Hello friends, welcome to Easy Science Club.
What is today's topic? It is transcription and translation. Okay, this process is very major process in every living organisms and protein synthesis basic. Okay, come to the point. Explanation. Every cells needed to nucleus. This nucleus have DNA informations or genetic information. This DNA is double helix standard or structure. What is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. So this transcription and translation process basically synthesis of protein. Okay, come to the point, to the transcription process. What is transcription? Every cell having nucleus, but inside the nucleus transcription process do it. So this part of DNA having some particular protein informations or genetic codes. So I needed this part of particular protein part. So I will needed to three major components or three major items. What is the three major items? Is DNase, RNA polymerase and nucleotides. Okay, this three major items producing for mRNA. Okay, come to the point to this part to DNA is this separately dividing the DNA strand. Okay, this DNA's job is separating for DNA strand, and RNA polymerase is synthesizing for mRNA strand with help of nucleotides. So this particular DNA strand having that protein synthesis codes. So that opposite codes of the RNA polymerase synthesis of mRNA. This mRNA strand is called messenger RNA. This messenger RNA going to outside nucleus to outside cell to cytoplasm. This cytoplasm having ribosomes and tRNA, with amino acid tRNA. Okay, this mRNA strand is coming to ribosome. This ribosome is helping for reading of this mRNA codes. Okay, this is a group of tRNAs and this tRNA is with amino acid tRNA. So see this, is the amino acids. See this? Okay. This ribosome translating for this mRNA strand. This is a three anticodons. Is combining this mRNA codes and producing for amino acid chain or protein chain. This is protein chain. This protein chain is collaboration of protein. Simple process. First, inside the nucleus producing for mRNA and outside nucleus are producing for protein. So mRNA is coming to bind the ribosome and tRNA with amino acid tRNA is combining this codes and translating for amino acid chain. This amino acid chain is transformed to protein chain. This protein chain combining on both and producing for protein. This protein item is using for many purpose of your living organism. Okay, it is here. This ribosome process finished. This tRNA is without amino acid tRNA. So there is no amino acid. It is going to the protein formation. Okay, this is a transcription translation process.
Okay friends, you like the video? Please put the one like button. You need more video? Please subscribe it. Thank you friends. Bye.